Okay, so here we are again, getting dirty. I'm going on this stator that I'm gonna put on my Cub Cadet 54-inch zero turn. And I'm looking at these wiring, and it goes in here in this connector right here. And you see this guy right here? See if I can zoom in. That connector right there. You're looking for this piece right here. That's the tab that holds it on in here. So you get your screwdriver. I'm using these things that people use for their fingernails. And I'm gonna stick one end in here, push it all the way in, and then push out so it can push this piece in, and then at the same time pull on the wire. Let's see if I can record that. So I'm grabbing this, sticking that in there all the way as deep as I can. Now I'm gonna push to the left, and then at the same time slightly tug on this wire. There we go. Voila. Pulled it out. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see in there. But it's got a little tab in there somewhere that holds on to that here piece right here. So you stick your tool in there, screwdriver or whatever, something small. Push it in there as far as you can. Then pull to the left. That will push this in, and then you can pull it out. Alright, thank you for watching.